Namaskar. The first program every programmer in the world comes across is printing hello world. So for Python also, let us begin with printing hello world. So this is a popular program, you can understand it quite well. This is a print function. A function is where these kind of round brackets are there, and within this round bracket, this famous string hello word is written. Hello followed by a space character followed by word followed by this exclamation mark. So let us print this. So the moment we run this, we see this as hello world as directly as whatever we can print. So this is the first line of Python program we have successfully run. Okay, but why to run the same thing again and again without actually trying a modification? So let me call it modified hello word and see some variations. I have put the variations here in another cell. So let me copy one more variation here. Okay, and I'll one by one show you how those things run. Okay, now let me run this again. Now what difference I have shown here is hello comma word. You will understand very well when I run this. See, this is again printing the same thing, which means the moment I put comma in between these two strings, this acts as like two parameters for this function, and this actually gives for print function a single space. Another point I would like to highlight for this first line again, that in other codes you might have seen this kind of new line character. Like if you are coming from C++, you might have seen this kind of hello word. But here it is not required because print itself gives a new line. If I actually give this, so an additional new line will come. So this is actually not required. So this is a modified kind of thing where a comma is there and just two small strings and this space comes automatically. So now I will try this portion. Now we know what will happen out of this. See, I'll write this. So now what we should expect, that this will give hello and then this word will come in another line because this print will automatically give a new line. So in other programming languages it will not happen like this. So but in Python we have print command with a automatic new line, so this will be printed in two different lines. Interesting? So that's what I am calling it modified hello word. Now what will happen if I use plus? If I use plus along with this, see, this is like adding up two strings, so it will add up these two strings, and once it adds up, so there is no additional space, the hello and word will be printed immediately next to each other. We'll later learn that how this happens, but for timing this is just a string addition, or programmers call it string concatenation actually, right? So let us learn this interesting line also. You will be amazed to see this kind of line in a Python code, that I have put two print commands in one line and with a famous semicolon which C++ and Java programmers are aware of. So let us use this now. So this is also printing in two lines because this is one command and this is another command, rather two statements. Normally Python programmers are not advised to use like this, but Python does support semicolon, remember that. But still the guidelines of Python says that semicolon should never be used because Python believes in neat programming, that means one statement, one line. So they want that it should be absolutely for beginners without any mess up, without any confusion. So we actually do not use this, but I have shown here that it is still supported. Sometimes some programmers coming from the other word miss this, so it is still there. So remember that this is the whole code. And okay, if you want AI to analyze this code, let me try this. Can you analyze the code here? Okay, let Gemini do it for you. This will be interesting to see because these kind of codes normally people do not write, but I call it modified hello world and I teach in the beginning itself. This line prints exact string hello world. This line prints two separate strings. This prints the string hello on one line and on its own line, separate lines. This is a line concatenation. As discussed previously, there are two separate print statements written in the same line, separated by semicolon. And it says that it will print hello world, the different lines, because these are two separate statements, and it will also give me example of PEP8 standard, which is Python guidelines for how we do write statements, and explain difference between comma separated and concatenated print statements. You can go ahead and read a lot about. I give you AI hints always because I want you to use AI even for the small programs since beginning, because this is the age of AI, right? I hope you must be satisfied with this modified hello world program. Thank you. Bye.